Foil art. Take the foil in your hands, press it with your fingertips. Tear it or cut it, and press it some more. Observe what it does. Push it towards something while letting it do what it wants to do. Listen to the foil. Today is your day to be an artist, to be creative, to be inquisitive, to be open to possibilities without knowing the outcome, to risk making mistakes, to be serious and earnest and playful at the same time, to play even when you don't feel like playing. That's what it means to be an artist. To do whatever it takes with whatever you have to do it with in order to express something you didn't even know was there before. This is being an artist. Take the foil in your hands, press it with your fingertips, tear it or cut it, and press it some more. Observe what it does. Push it towards something while letting it do what it wants to do. Listen to the foil.
You busted my dreams! Could I make a cave?
It's very reflective and kind of modern looking, like a spaceship or a spacesuit. Throw in other materials into the mix if you like. Masking tape, paper, twist ties, cling wrap. All the while maintain focus on what are the possibilities of aluminum foil. And why aluminum foil? It is very flat and thin. It does not even seem very strong. Yet it has some unique properties. Papers and plastic want to spring back when you push on them. Foil, when you push on it, tends to want to stay where you push it. Perhaps you have seen aluminum foil before in your kitchen or at school lunch, wrapped around a sandwich or burrito, and you have thought that this is what aluminum foil is for and nothing else. It belongs around food. Foil can be much more than this. Sculptures, toys, something to play with. It can be a window into your imagination. Anything can be art. Any material within your reach can be art. And there is no right way to do it. There is only the process of exposing something that was not there before.
Now it just looks like a huge eagle.
What is it?
It's a phoenix.